Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be replacing the belt on this Sony TCM-S64V. So how it works right now is wait, sorry, let me put in the batteries. I forgot to do that. I took them out just beforehand. So as you can see, it doesn't work. The light turns on. There is a speaker. The speaker does work. You can hear. But when it's turned completely off, you can hear the motor tries to work, but it's not doing anything. If you just open that up, like, nothing moves. I mean, the mechanical bit of that moves, but like the spindles don't move. If I just get a cassette here, one sec. Sorry, I have the specials cassette. Got from Camden. I think it was about £2 or something. If I just put this in, oh, I'm done. What? Yeah, okay, there. I don't know why that was having difficulty. Doesn't do anything still. The tape doesn't move, so it doesn't work. So I'm going to replace it. So there's 3 screws on the back here. I've already removed 2. It's just that one, and that one. Sorry, that's for the lanyard thing, but it's broken. But that broke off. So I got this second hand in Colombia when I went, just from like a flea market kind of thing. And I'd been looking for a cassette player for a while, so I just thought, I'll just buy this. I think it cost me £2, this cassette player. So, the batteries, yeah. So, okay, why isn't it coming out? What the fuck? Okay. So this just lifts off. There is a catch here, so be careful with that when you're putting it on and off. And as you can see, this is the belt wheel, and the belt is just perished. It's not turned to goo, which is good. It's just deteriorated over time, and it's also on this little wheel here. So I'm just going to take that off. You can clean it with like a cotton wool bud or something. That would be a good idea, with some isopropyl alcohol or something. I don't have any on hand at the moment, so I'm not going to be doing that. But that's generally a good idea. This was in here. This is literally just lying in there. I'm not sure what this does. I'll have to probably fix that and put that somewhere. So anyway, here's the belt kit that I got. So it's I just got this off eBay, and it cost me £3 or something. In retrospect, I probably shouldn't have done that. Probably should have just gotten like just a bunch of belts, like for, I don't know, £1 or so, and then just use that. So I'm going to use this bigger one. I don't know what the thinner one is for, but as you can see, like they're about the same width, the size of the old one and this new one. So I'm going to use that one. So it's a simple procedure of just putting it around that spindle, and yeah, there's some twists in it, but that shouldn't matter too much. So yeah, as this spins, you can see there's a gear behind it moving. You can kind of see that just there. And yeah, and so that's that. If I just quickly put this back on, hopefully this should now work. So I'll just screw in one screw quickly, just so it's not falling apart on me. Okay, there we are. Okay, sorry for the not the best camera angle, but that's all I have at the moment because I don't have my tripod, unfortunately. So now you can see that's moving. That's cool. And there's the speaker. So now I can put in my specials cassette and I can play away. I don't know if the speaker works. Doesn't sound like it, huh? What on earth? That's a message to you, Rudy. Oh my fucking god, this is hilarious. That is so funny. Oh my god, I haven't like tested this, so this is actually hilarious. It sounds a bit fast, actually. I'm going to get some headphones. Because this is also a cassette recorder. So you can, so it has a microphone on it. You can see there the inputs. That's for the mic. That's for your, yeah. And let me play this again. Oh no! I don't know where the mic is. Can you hear that? I don't know where the mic is. I'm putting it both sides. So that's actually just how it sounds. That's not the speaker. I thought that was the speaker. That's actually really frustrating. So it moves anyway. I don't know if that's something to do with the head. I guess I'll have to clean that. Maybe, and I'll look into that spring thing as well, because I don't know why that's doing that. But anyway, that's how you replace the belts. There's still the smaller belt as well that I have here. I'm not exactly sure what that's for. But yeah, that's been today's video. I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Okay, little update. So it is not broken as I thought it was. I put back the big ring on it. Basically, what it is this a little switch here. So I was just kind of looking at it. I was trying. I swapped out using the other band if it made it any difference, but it didn't. And I was just kind of looking, and then I see, oh, like it says fast and PB, which would mean playback. So fast playback. So and it's just a little switch. So I set it to the left position, and I'll show you how it sounds now. Also, the speaker isn't broken. It just goes very bass boosted if it's all the way up. So that's also cool. I'll show you that in a second. It's a pretty convenient way not to get content matched on YouTube if it's all bass boosted like that. Also, this little piece of plastic was in there as well, so I thought this was maybe the lanyard thing, but it's not, because it doesn't fit, so I don't know what that is, but that was interesting. I took that out anyway. So, alright, I wound the cassette, so, oh my god, why did I do that like a second time? Yeah, for some reason it has difficulty closing sometimes. I don't really know what to do about that. But, so, this is what it sounds, right? If it's all the way up, but then I just turn it down and it sounds better. So yeah, that's it. And that's the speaker as well, just what you wanted. So yeah, that's just a little update. It works. I got it to work. I was just being an idiot. It's pretty cool, this. It does sound a tad bit slow, but yeah, I'll see to that. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video. So thanks for watching. Bye.